Ever wondered why your car isn't sounding as aggressive as you'd like or performing at its best? It may be time to consider upgrading to a performance exhaust system. Performance exhaust systems aren't just about making your car sound better. They're about enhancing the power and performance of your vehicle. Stock exhaust systems, while adequate for the average driver, often restrict your car's true potential. They can dampen the roar you crave and limit the power of other performance upgrades you've invested in. So, how do performance exhaust systems work their magic? It's all about improving exhaust flow and reducing back pressure. Brands like Borla, MagnaFlow, and Flowmaster have perfected the design of their systems to increase power and generate that satisfying deep growl. They use larger diameter pipes, mandrel bends, and high-flow catalytic converters to ensure maximum exhaust efficiency. These systems are designed to reduce exhaust restrictions, allowing your engine to breathe easier and work more efficiently. The result? A noticeable boost in power and a sound that will turn heads. Whether you want a slight rumble or a full-on roar, there's a performance exhaust system out there with your name on it. Not only do these systems enhance performance and sound, but they're also built to last. High-quality materials like stainless steel and titanium ensure durability and resistance against corrosion, making them a long-term investment for your vehicle. To sum up, a performance exhaust system is a smart investment for those seeking to improve their car's power and sound. By increasing exhaust flow and reducing back pressure, these systems unlock the full potential of your vehicle. They offer a range of sounds to suit different tastes, from subtle enhancements to aggressive roars. Plus, their durable construction means they're built to last, providing value for your money. Remember, upgrading your exhaust system isn't just a modification. It's an investment in your driving experience. So, whether you're a track enthusiast or just want to make a statement on the roads, consider a performance exhaust system. Your car and your ears will thank you.